Okay, so let's look at revenue. Whoops. Revenue, loss, and profit. So, revenue, the money made from the sale, combining the profit and the cost to make it. So, if something costs, let's say, cost £10 to make, and you sell it at, say, 20, make a sale at 20, that's firstly, that is a profit of 10. So 20 minus 10 equals 10. So that's a profit. Profit, very good. But the total amount combining the profit and the cost is 20. So made a revenue of £20. But a loss when something is sold less than the cost to make. So if it costs £10 and we sell it at £9, then that's -1. That's a loss. A loss, we're losing money. And no business can continue losing money forever. Okay. Now profit, revenue take away cost equals profit. So if £20 is the revenue, cost is 10, then we know that profit is £10. The amount of money you make from selling something, whether a product or service. So a physical thing, a product, say a phone for example, books, anything physical. Anything really, could be digital as well, like most software, most computers. Or a service, like a taxi for example, or a bus, or an airline ticket for an airline, is a service. They do stuff for you, a maid or a cleaner. Yeah, I'll call this that. So revenue, money combining profit and cost. Loss, when something is sold less than the cost to make it. And revenue, the amount of money you make from selling something. The sales. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.